Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Heroes Fitness. Today we're going to go over the Muay Thai Teep. As you can see, it's a very versatile kick. It's essentially the jab of the lower body. I'm going to make sure when I do my Teep, I have really good balance when I'm doing it. I can't be super far forward with my head. I need to be heavy on my back foot so I can lift my knee nice and high up towards my target. Once you lift your knee as high as possible, the Teep's going to shoot kind of downward towards your opponent or the object you're hitting. So I get my head back, my head is over my right hip, I lift my knee up, and my right leg's going to skip in, and I'm going to shoot my hips forward sideways. It's like you're dancing almost, okay? I'm going to lift my knee, skip in, and I straighten out my leg. When I land, I don't want to land my toes. It's going to be very painful for yourself. What I want to do is peel my toe up to the sky and land with the balls of my foot. When you land too, don't just straighten out your leg by itself. You want to shoot your hips through. So I'm going to get my head back over my right hip, knee up, skip, just like so. The Teep is typically a push motion. So when I fire this Teep, I'm not looking to come up at the angle. I'm just looking to go straight through my target. Straight through with it. Straight. Straight. Sometimes you might need a little bit of extra reach. So I actually turn my hips over to get a little extra range. Budokan did this a ton back in the day. Same thing with the right side, but now I'm going to have to turn my body just a little bit, like I'm going to throw a right hand. I turn the body, and I straighten out through them. Sometimes you may have to lean a little bit back to get the hips through, but try not to lose your core engagement. I don't want to open like this. See how I lose my connection? Everything still stays super tight. Everything's still projecting forward, despite my hips shooting through. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.